Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2016 10 marks question from topic inverse Laplace transform. Here is the given question. Using Laplace transformation, solve the following. Let's solve the problem. Given differential equation is y double dash minus 2y dash minus 8y is equal to 0. And the condition is given y0 is 3 and y dash 0 is 6. Taking Laplace transform both the sides, taking Laplace transform both the sides, that is Laplace of y double dash minus 2 Laplace of y dash minus 8 Laplace of y is equal to Laplace of 0. We have to know that Laplace of y double dash is written as Laplace of y double dash, that is s square y bar minus s sy0 and y dash 0, and Laplace of y dash is written as sy bar minus y0, and Laplace of y is written as y bar, and the Laplace of 0 is 0. Then further we have to proceed, that is written as Laplace of y double dash is written as s square y bar minus of sy0 minus of y dash 0 minus 2, and the Laplace of y bar is written as sy bar minus y0, and the Laplace of y is minus of 8. Laplace of y is y bar is equal to 0. Then another from here, that is s square y bar, putting the value of the given condition here, y0 is 3 and the y dash 0 is 6, y dash 0 is 6, put in, so s square y bar minus of s into y0 is 3, that is 3 minus of y dash 0 is 6 minus of 6 minus 2, and sy bar is sy bar, and y0 is given minus of 3, here minus 8y bar is already present is equal to 0. Then s square y bar minus 3s and minus 6 and minus of 2 sy bar and plus of 6 and minus of 8y bar is equal to 0. Then minus of 6 and plus of 6 is cancelled out, so the remaining is minus of 6 and plus of 6 is cancelled out, that is s square y bar minus 2s y bar and minus of 8 y bar and minus of 3s is equal to 0. Taking right hand side 3s, that is, and taking common y bar, that is s square minus of 2s and minus of 8 y bar is equal to taking 3s in right hand side, that is 3s then y bar is equal to y bar is equal to 3s upon s square minus 2s minus of 8. We have to find the in the partial break partial form. First we have to try a factorization method, that is 3s upon s square minus 4s and minus of 2s and minus of 8, that is y bar is equal to 3s upon taking s common from this, that is s common, that is s minus 4, and from here minus 2 is common, that is s minus 4, minus 2 is common, that is here is plus, then plus 2 is common, that is s minus 4, so that is 3s upon s plus 2 and s minus 4. Further then y bar is equal to 3s is written as, that is 3s is written as s 2s plus 3s is written as, one second, plus 4 and minus 4 and 3s is s 2s plus 2 and plus s, 3s is written as like that, that is 2s plus s and 4 plus 4 is nothing to change, so s plus 2 and s minus 4. We have to break in the partial form, that is taking 2s plus 4 and plus s minus 4, that is s plus 2 and s minus 4. Then we have to also write, taking 2 common from here, that is s plus 2 and plus s minus 4 upon s plus 2 and s minus 4. Then further y bar is equal to 2 s plus 2 upon s plus 2 and s minus 4 plus s minus 4 upon s plus 2 and s minus 4. From here s minus 4 to s minus 4 is cancelled out, and from here s plus 2 to s plus 2 is cancelled out. Remaining is 2 upon s minus 4 and plus here is 1 upon s plus 2. Then taking Laplace inverse, taking Laplace inverse both the side, that is Laplace inverse of y bar is equal to 2 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 4 plus Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 2. We have to know the formula, that is Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus a is written as e की power at. Using this formula, finding here Laplace inverse y bar is written as y is equal to, from here to Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 4. This is the form of like that. So written as e की power minus e की power 40 plus here Laplace inverse of s plus 2, that is written as e to the power minus 2t. This is the required solution of the given Laplace transformation. Thank you, class.